Good day, scholars. This is the tutorial video for the week of April 6th. I know this is the first real assignment, so we're going to keep it kind of easy, all right, for the first week here. Um, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on a unit regarding the video game industry, all right? And to kind of get you ready for that and get you back into the headspace of technology and using and thinking about programming and coding and all that kind of stuff. I wanted to do a two-part assignment here. One is just a little bit of career research, and then the second part is just some vocabulary and questions. Okay, let's talk about the part one first. The first part of this assignment is to have you research two different video game industry careers, and you can do that by going to one of these websites, or you can just search on Google as well if you're interested in something else in regarding the video game industry. So I'm just going to go to one of these and just kind of show you. So I'm on this website here, jobs in the video game industry, and there's a bunch of jobs I can look at, right? So maybe I want to be an animator, and maybe I want to be a game designer. Sure. I'm going to go back to my document here, and I'm going to put my careers in these boxes here, right? So we have career one, I'm going to put animator, and then career two, I'm going to put game designer, right? And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to either use Google or the websites that I have up here in regards to the resources to find out the duties and responsibilities. That is, what do these careers do for each of these? The education required for the careers. So what kind of college do they have to go to? Do they have to go to college? Do they need a specific college degree? Do they need specific experience to have this career? Next is salary range. So how much money do they make on average? This can be either a range or it can be an average number. Next is self-reflection. So tell me, in a paragraph, right? At least like 4 or 5 sentences, guys. Would you be interested in this career, and why would you be interested in it? Or why are you not interested in it? Just tell me, right? Just think a little bit about yourself. Do I like this career? Why do I not like it? Why do I like it? Etc. Put that there. And then finally, resources, just copy and paste a couple of the links you use to find your information. Okay, so that's part one. Pretty simple. Part two is for vocabulary and questions, right? Basically, we're going to look at some very simple video game industry vocabulary, and then you're going to answer some questions. So if we go down to the next page here, you'll see vocabulary. Please write the definition of each word in your own words. If you use Google, make sure you're using the correct video game industry relevant definition. So we have, I believe, 9 words here. I did one for you already. These are pretty simple words, guys, just to get started off with video game industry and video game development. So you can find these definitions on Google. Just put them into your own words on what your understanding of them is here. Okay. And then finally, there's 2 questions, all right, with 4 sentences total. The first question is, what is your favorite video game? All right. What makes this game fun to you? Okay. It can be any video game, right? So it can be a mobile game. It can be something simple. It doesn't have to be super crazy like a PS4, Xbox, or PC game. The second question, with 2 sentences minimum, is if you could make any game at all, what kind of game would you make? And just describe it to me in at least 2 sentences. Just let your mind go wild, basically. I just kind of want to understand what you think about video games and what you think would be cool. So that's basically it. You have part 1 and part 2. This is all you need to do for this week. When you're finished, just make sure you turn it on open access. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything like that, please feel free to email me or send me a message via open access. Or you can always attend one of my conferences that I hold 2 to 3 p.m. on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. So yeah, have a good day. Reach out if you need help. Stay safe, guys. Hope you all are doing well.